Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Mimi Show and we are on Mimi Sport, a place for beauty, fashion, lifestyle, DIY, and of course social media tips. So this video is another transformation. Just like you can see, that's the jumper we're gonna transform. We're gonna transform into something nice, something super cute. So I'm gonna go on get some shorts that fit me nicely and use them to measure off what I want, because I'm gonna be making this jumper into a set and I want to make some shorts. So I'm using my shorts to cut off what I want, like how long I want my shorts to be like, and that's what I'm doing right now. So just like I'm showing you there, I'll add in an extra 1.5 inches as I cut, so that I have some space to fold or to do anything extra. That's all I'm doing, and I'm gonna go in with my ruler and make a straight line so that I can cut that off in a straight line. But if you can freehand cut, you can also go on with that. So after that, I'm gonna go on and cut off that part, and I remain with the upper part. And of course, after cutting off, our upper part is finished. We don't need to do anything with it. So what I'm gonna go on and do, I'm gonna go on and open or remove that part that I'm showing you, that it will work as a waistband. So I'm gonna go on and seam rip it. I won't cut it, I want to seam rip it because I don't want to lose any fabric or any material, because you can see that piece is not so big. So that's the waistband that we opened or we seam ripped from there. We're gonna keep that aside. We'll use it as we make the waist for our short. So I'm gonna go on and get my shorts that I used to measure, and then I use them as to help me to trace out the shape of that short. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm laying them flat and very straight on the fabric before I cut or I trace them out on the fabric, just to make sure that everything is laid properly and flat. So I'm gonna go on now and trace my shorts out properly. I went ahead and traced them straight at the bottom because I wanted the bottom of my thighs to be a little bit loose, because my jean shorts are a little bit tight on my thighs. So I went ahead and pinned the material down so that it doesn't move as I cut, because this is a stretchy material and I didn't want it to move. I wanted to cut everything as equal as possible. So after that, I went ahead and got my scissors and cut off that piece that I just measured. So I got the piece that I cut just like you see there. I just flipped it over and turned it onto the other fabric, so I don't have to use the jeans anymore, and I used this piece that I just cut right now to trace out on the other piece, which makes it really easy. So I pinned the fabric too down so it doesn't move, so everything stays in place as I cut. I traced it out. You can choose to go in and just cut, you can pin both materials down and just cut, but I decided to go in and trace it out before I cut. Basically, you can just do whatever that feels easy and fast for you. So I went ahead and cut off also the second piece of material.